Hello, my family. Hope you guys are doing good. Today we are reviewing these long sweatpants. So I don't botch the name up, the brand name. This is the brand name. JMIERR. So we're going to go ahead and put these on and see if they're true to size for you guys. And tell you guys our thoughts. They look nice. I like the color. I like the style. All right, let's go ahead and put the camera down so you guys can see a better angle here. Let's see, is that good enough? That's good enough for now. Let's actually drop that a little bit lower so you can see. All right, so this is how they look. They do have a drawstring, but they're actually tight enough that we don't need to put a knot in it. The pockets are zippered, which is nice. I love that because you can put your cell phone or stuff inside and it's not going to fall out. I love that. So you have two pockets on the back. It looks like you have one pocket on the back that is not zippered. I like the fit. I like it. It's kind of a mixture of semi-tight but loose fit. Like it's loose like right up in here, which is nice because it doesn't like, suck in. So it's kind of looser like up through here, but then like here gets tighter and tighter, which I love. I love these. They are definitely warm as well. So these are going to be great. I don't know if you guys can see, and I'll show you guys up close, but they are super warm. So these are going to be amazing for the fall and for spring and winter. Fall, winter, spring. But yeah, I love these. I really do. I like how they fit, and you could even freely move around in them. Yeah, they're made nice. And I like that they come very tight, so if you're wearing shoes or something, it's not going to be like hanging under your feet or falling down. We all know those sweatpants that you have on and they're so wide at the bottom that if you have shoes on, they slowly work their way under the shoe and then you step on your pant leg. So then you're stepping on your actual pant leg. But these actually come to a tight, so even without shoes, they don't fall under my feet. And especially with shoes, they're not going to fall under. So I'm very happy with these. I'm impressed. So high quality made, definitely. Soft material, absolutely. Fitment fits great. We are 5'9", 596 pounds. We always take this size large. They fit great. So I say they're true to size as well. The color's nice. Everything about them is really nice, guys. So that's my honest review. That's my honest thoughts, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next review.